Subtracting integers. Subtracting integers on a number line. Move left on a number line to subtract a positive integer. Move right on a number line to subtract a negative integer. So, writing integer subtraction. Write the subtraction model on each number line. Number one, we have this number line starting from 0. We have positive 8, so you move to the right. And then from there, you subtract a positive number, so you move to the left. So that's why you write it as 8 minus 10, and then you finish in negative 2. Same thing as in addition, you compare and you see that you have 8 positives and 10 negatives. That means you have more negatives than positives, so the answer will be negative 2. Number 2. Again, starting from 0, you have positive 2, so you move to the right, and then minus negative 4. And since you're subtracting a negative number, you move to the left, to the right, I'm sorry. Why? Because these two signs become positive. That's why you add, so you move to the right. So you write it as 2 minus negative 4. That means you add this, you make it positive, so it'll be 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Number 3. Starting from 0, we have positive 6 and then minus 5. So that addition model, subtraction model, you will write it as 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Again, you have 6 positives, 5 negatives, of which one you have more of the positives, so you subtract and you get 1. Subtracting integers. Find each difference. Okay, so here again we have, starting from 0, we have positive 7, and then from there you move to the left because you're subtracting a positive number, so it'll be 7 minus 4. Or if you see it as a counters, you have 7 positive counters and then minus 4. You're subtracting 4 from those positive counters. So you will have 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Number 2, starting from 0, we have negative 8 because you move to the left. And then from there, just subtract a negative number. So remember, that becomes positive. That's why you move to the right. So as counters, you will see it as negative 8. And then you're subtracting 2 negatives. So you're taking away. That means you're going to have 6 negative left. And if you write it as a model, a subtraction model, these two become positive, so you will have negative 8 plus 2, and that's why negative and positive, which one is greater than negative? So the answer will be negative 6. This now evaluating integer expressions. Evaluate x minus negative 4 for each value of x. The first value for x is negative 4. So here, remember, you have to write first the expression. Then we substitute the value for x in the expression. So that means we have negative 4 minus negative 4, which these two become positive. And that means you're going to have negative 4 plus 4. So the answer will be 0. Number 2, we have x equal to negative 5. So again, you first write the expression. We substitute the value for x in the expression. And again, these two became positive. So I will have negative 5 plus 4. And since the negative is greater than the 4, you subtract. And that means you keep the sign of the bigger one. So the answer will be negative 1. And the last one, for x equal to 12, you write the expression. we substitute in the value of the variable in the expression, and then again, these two become positive. That means you're gonna have 12 plus 4, and that will give you 16. So this will be all for this lesson. Don't forget to do step by step in the problems and do process.